How to use diesel fuel to kill bushes. When diesel fuel enters the soil, it immobilizes the nitrogen in the soil, making it unavailable to plants. Deprived of nitrogen, even woody plants like bushes eventually starve and die. This nitrogen-fixing ability makes diesel fuel an effective plant killer. However, the soil will remain imbalanced for the next year or longer. Therefore, it is inadvisable to use diesel fuel to kill a shrub if you intend to replant the area in the near future. Things you'll need: gas can. Pour 1 liter of diesel fuel into a gas can. Pour the diesel fuel carefully around the base of the plant. Do not apply the diesel any further than the reach of the shrub's foliage. Retreat the bush if its foliage does not brown and die within 2 weeks. Tips. Warnings. The diesel fuel works most effectively when applied during the growing season.